So guys, today I am going to use the Peacekeeper, and this is my gunsmith, and Peacekeeper is a really good gun, and so I thought of making a video on it. So now let's hop into a match. So now as soon I rushed with my teammate, I got killed by Sasha Whitey, and I got really angry because I was playing like I was chilling and playing.
Contact with enemy. Target down.
After killing this guy, I ran into cover and his noob teammate was not able to kill me. Then I rushed outside and this stupid guy was using thermite reload on his gun. And if you don't know, thermite reload is very annoying. So I started to camp and I took this kill by camping.
Changing mag.
Then I rushed outside and killed this guy because I like using the Peacekeeper in close range. And I even killed his teammate, and this dude was shooting at the car but he killed me. This Sasha Whitey is a very pro player.
Target's inside.
So here I killed his dog and I killed him too. Oh, I killed Sasha Whitey, sweet revenge. And then this guy just jump shooted me with his MSMC. And here I spammed all my skull streaks.
RC is coming. Hunter killer drone deployed.
Contact with enemy. Tango down.
Oh, that was so satisfying. I wish I killed this guy too. Then here I killed that head glitch noob. And then here my teammates stole my kill.
Sniper.
But we successfully win the game. So now let's play another match. So here we got hardpoint.
Hardpoint identified.
I rushed the hardpoint with my teammates.
We've
I
taken
came up and got an easy kill.
Enemy down.
And then here this noob skillless melee abuser killed me with his machete.
Enemy down.
hardpoint locked down.
And then here I killed these two guys. And this is why I hate hardpoint. Everyone just spams gas grenade and thermites, but the hardpoint got changed. Here I had sharp line Molotov in my hand, so I killed him with my Molotov. And then this new melee abuser killed me. And see this. That wall bang, baby. That wall bang was even an headshot. Here I backstabbed this guy. Then I camped outside the next hardpoint and got an easy kill, because I knew someone was going to come from there. And then here I killed this guy, and then I went to fight with that sniper, and I know I was giving him a very noobish movement, but the sniper didn't kill me. His stupid melee abuser teammate killed me.
Tested.
So I did this.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Shock RC
And
is
then
coming.
here I took a free kill, and then I killed this guy too.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hunter killer drone deployed. Enemy shock RC is coming. Enemy airstrike incoming. Careful.
But here, because of FPS drop, I was not able to kill that guy.
Tested.
Here I killed this guy with the combo of Molotov and Peacekeeper. And here again that pink spike issue, and I raged quit. I don't want to play this game anymore, bro. It is becoming just too annoying.